So I mean, I understand if the minister says shut up, shut up. Because it's quite clear, say, everything you want to complain. The road is bad, you are complaining. I'm fixing the road, you are complaining. What should I do? So I mean, as minister, what should I do? And so this morning, I want to clap for the minister for making sure he put his foot on the ground and made sure say the construction still went on despite the complaints and the cry again for Usuno. Say traffic. Sammy, whoever stayed in traffic till the next day? If we are saying whoever stayed in traffic till the following day? Who? Even in this town, whoever stayed in traffic from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. the following day? Open Tema Motorway. And if you know, Sammy, you see, sometimes we attack institutions, we blame them for not doing their work. But when they decide to do their work, Sammy, let's allow them to work. I've heard people complaining, and there's some way Juma and there's some way Juma Najo. When the minister was talking, only said Juma of course we. So what again should they do? What again should the minister do? And when they said this construction they were doing this construction at the mercy of the rain.
This construction is an emergency construction.
Of course.
The situation that was happening on the road, the emergency.
Oh, emergency. I'm telling you, I've told you that. The ministry were
planning. For how long has the road been like that? For how long has there been communication to start work on that road?
The ministry, we know that government, as we speak, have penciled say motorway no, I say full construction. You be here overpass, Niyama was so now here I think lanes no be 6-lane motorway and I say the government has made its intentions clear. Contract in car the motor engine. Our mono contractors. Sikana ye train on the Western States on the Kwano. And the government wants to fix the motorway completely. And if these cracks, any potholes, any manholes are massive, a matter of concern. As you see, you better go patch up worker. I don't have a problem no. As you see, mostly traffic. You are complaining about the road, state of the road. Yeah, so mostly traffic. Sammy, I think Minister needs to shut up. I won't shut up. Shut up.
You won't shut up.
I mean,
because you see, the minister makes some fundamental statements that are, for me, they are shocking.
What is shocking here?
Minister tells us he's going to embark on this repair work.
Yes.
And there isn't a budgetary plan.
Sammy.
Oh, budgetary plans. So in this country, the minister wakes up, takes money which has been allocated for something, takes it and then goes.
Has he told you he will not account for this?
And then he will tell us. And then he will come and tell us. And then he will come and tell us. And then it's not that we are going to cost what we are doing.
Why can't it happen?
No one. You are a contractor.
Has he told you he will not account for it?
Why can't it
happen?
So what the rush?
We are a contractor.
What the rush?
Yes. We are a contractor. You have gone to the field to check the motorway.
Yes.
When you went to check the motorway, you realize that the patch, when you do the patching, let's say it's about half a kilometer.
Yes.
The number of patches on the road. Your engineer will tell you, Honorable, we are going to need 10 mm iron rods.
Yes.
Let's say 15 what?
Some quantities.
Won't figures be put to it?
Yes.
Figures will be put to it. And so if somebody comes and says, so Anyabia, how much will they cost us? Can you tell us that you don't know the cost?
Sammy, you see, that budget now also only so in the cost of doing the job.
That's why there is even an estimate.
So after
don't go there.
That is why there is even an estimate.
Don't go there. Is the minister saying he said they didn't have a quantity surveyor, somebody to give them the quantities as to how much they are going to need, how much cement bags they are going to need.
What are you looking for the cost for now?
Is the minister saying they don't know?
They should be working with
what are you saying?
What are you looking for the cost now?
So what's your business? Asking the National Cathedral for question. What's your business?
I'm saying that. What are you looking for the cost of the repair work on the motorway?
What is your business?
No.
What is your business? Why the minister he doesn't know? Why the minister he doesn't know? At the end of his submission, the minister said that there will be value for money.
Of course.
Did he say that? In being, what does the principle of value for money say? The principle of value for money says that, look, check prices, no be so. You check the prices, you make sure that what you are buying, you are getting the worth of the money you are spending. How much are you spending for what you are doing?
When did they finish this road? Yesterday.
I mean, I don't know.
When did they finish?
I don't know.
Yesterday.
Me, from what graphic is telling me.
The road yesterday.
I
used X, Y, and Z money when he has not even calculated on where BBI.
What are you saying?
How was he working with?
How was he working? How is he working?
Who was he working with in the first place?
What was he working with?
The
iron rods on the ground.
I don't even know how it will get to that point.
Let me you landed before I came in.
Even if it was a contractor who uses much or using his car in each answer,
oh, how much cost to be yes, you have a cost he's using.
So the minister should come and work with estimates in the public domain.
But is that not what you do?
Estimates
in the field of construction.
Sammy. For construction,
what
emergency construction like this?
I don't even want to call it an emergency construction.
Who doesn't know the price of iron
rods?
Who doesn't know the price of iron rods? So if the minister, we are being told, say the minister per the construction money, one may issue 10 mm, 50 pieces.
It is irrelevant at this material moment. Sammy, look, let me tell you something.
What are we saying? This is not this job. It's not an emergency job.
No,
it is not an emergency job. It is something which we are speaking about long ago. The minister would have planned to go and execute this job, and it will not be a today matter. Let's not kid ourselves. Say that the Tema Motorway job is an emergency.
It is emergency because it is emergency because the grand scheme of things.
It is not.
In the grand scheme of things for the ministry, they want to construct the motorway fully.
So they took their time. Are you saying, sir? We are in the last week now, minister. Or one of bomb. And sorry, so young motorway. No planning.
Government plan and they say, "Oh, we fix the motorway completely. Change the architecture of the motorway completely. If in the process of doing that, or processes are there at the akudu level, no, BBC now it needs fixing just to make the road more travelable. It becomes an emergency job on the road. I'm saying that if the minister was working with a budget, to their cost side, the minister will not demobilize, go back to his ministry, check what they used against the budget, and then come out with the full cost. And then I'm say that answer. The minister will now have to go back, demobilize.
Isaac,
compare all the prices. Compare all the prices.
Give me your pen.
Matches against the estimates. No,
I've told people that.
I've told people that. Sammy, let me finish.
When you come on the HMS,
Sammy, let me finish.
Honesty is key.
Sammy, let me finish.
I'm not say Eka say.
Someone mean me.
Debbie. I'm not say Eka say. Tell me where you it's wrong. When I watched the video, I realized they work at night as well. And so on that score, I apologize to the ministry. Because I didn't know that they work at night as well. But I sat here and said, oh, why are they working daytime when they can be working at night? And then you Ramon came to say, so they don't have the light. They don't have the what. Based upon that, they are reacting. On that score, I apologize sincerely for one more Juma and any other panel. But Isaac, my minty is my panic. Wait.
Cost is immaterial. Those who do not know what is happening here should keep quiet. Those who do not know what is happening here should keep quiet, okay? Because my ministry, the engineers, we are working day and night in crisis like this. Cost is immaterial. No, we have to bring comfort to our people. We are ready to provide whatever is necessary. Iron rods, other materials, cement, and after that we will sit down and put together the cost. But I'm assuring you that this project will come out with value for money.
Wait, Raymond. I asked for the video to be played for me, not you. What say? After that, we will sit down and work.
Any proper construction of this nature, that is what you do. It is after the project
that you sit down and go over your estimates and your cost. That's
but at the moment,
but you have something you are working with.
Yes, you have something you are working
with. So you are telling me that the minister should come and disclose his estimate for this project?
What is wrong if he tells us that this is an estimate?
Wait.
It's our budget.
Wait.
That 100 million.
Wait. National Cathedral. The amount they initially said they would need.
Wait.
It's 100 million. It became 250. Now it's 350.
So this
has anybody killed them?
This work that is of emergency nature.
It's not.
It's not an emergency. Don't stop saying it's an emergency.
Which is supposed to solve the crisis.
It's not a crisis.
This road that is supposed to solve crisis.
What crisis?
Minister, no, on my estimate, the aquaman. We approve the estimate in some of Franco Yejuma. Omu ye ejuma no, omu wie ye, omu demobilize ye, omu bra me
wankasa. After we finish, we will sit down and work how much. Or see if we need cement, we'll bring it. If we,
yes,
it tells you that no budgeting has gone in there.
Please. Some quantities, quantities of where I share there we are. Okay, so we have 10 trucks of sand. We have quantities. Estimates. Estimate. But I'm telling you that the minister that cannot come and give us estimate. He has to give us the final cost of the job. The minister will give you the final cost of this job. The minister will give you. Forget about estimate. The minister didn't say he won't give you the cost.
We are now going to sit down. Of course. Who goes into construction to go and construct and later come to work out? How much it costs?
Sammy, don't misquote the minister. Don't misquote the minister.
What did he say? After we will sit down.
We'll sit there and do what?
And do what?
Compare the estimate with the actuals.
What estimates to actuals?
That is what is done in any proper job.
Who did someone say minister?
No.
Did he say that he's now going to compare estimates to actuals?
Sammy, I'm saying that.
Who did he say that?
Construction job and after
we will sit down and
the minister knows the estimates.
He knows
which he's telling you that after the job, he's going to sit down and compare with the actuals.
You won't shut up.
You
won't shut up.
One thing a minister needs to shut up.
We won't shut up.
Because more thing man say. You clearly don't understand. I have an estimate to go and do this job.
Did he say that?
Well, should he come and tell you that he has an estimate? Don't we know that this job will be fun?
Why can't he say that?
Should he tell you what?
That the project is estimated to cost.
Should he tell you that?
The government always telling us that the project is estimated to cost 350 million, and then that's it.
In big,
we hear it all the time.
Big major, even the motorway, it is estimated to cost $560 million.
Of course.
Estimated. I'm saying that it is not relevant. It is not important.
What are you saying?
A job of this emergency nature. Umbra Mega just says estimated.
Didn't he know that it was so why did he say that?
We'll give you the cost of repair works.
No, my brother.
When you compare it with the actuals.
How did he see the value of the project to know, say, it is value for money
when
if he doesn't have?
Now that we are done yesterday. Today, Minister will go and sit with people, compare the actuals with the estimated, and tell you how much it costs. If that is what you want.
It is this kind of thing that gets us into problem. No.
What problem?
Now, Obiakoye project, or see Omiye project with the Mamo
What problem?
It doesn't matter how much it will cost. Let me do it. Later, we'll find out how much it costs us. Is that what governance is about?
Sammy, when the minister brings his costs, if you have objections or if you have issues with the cost there, go to special prosecutor.
You catch him say go to court.
Go to special prosecutor.
Catch him say go to court.
If you have issues with the estimate you bring, go to special prosecutor.